Insects and biotechnology. Man has always maintained a close relationship with insects. Over 5,000 years ago, mankind discovered how to obtain silk strands from Bombyx mori insects, giving rise to one of the most important industries of ancient times. Such primitive biotechnology generated new trade routes between East and West, with a consequent exchange of cultures and knowledge. Insects had established an important milestone in the history of civilization. In the last third of the 20th century, a number of important scientific discoveries occurred, allowing the possibility of manipulating genes and industrially obtain their products. A true revolution for biomedicine and for the pharmaceutical companies. However, biotechnology always seeks for new solutions to problems pertaining to the pharmaceutical industry. Bombyx mori insects are able to produce 70,000 tons of silk thread every year, consisting of two proteins, sericin and fibrin. So why not use similar insects to produce other huge amounts of proteins to be used as vaccines or therapeutic molecules? There are many reasons to use insects for protein production. Many of them grow at a speed which has no precedent in the animal kingdom whatsoever, up to 5,000 times their size in less than 2 weeks. This necessarily makes their cells champions in productivity, being able to synthesize up to 1,600 times more protein than the most productive mammalian cell. Based on this productive capacity of insects, Algenex was founded in 2005, a biotechnology company that has optimized the use of insects as living biofactories for the production of any kind of recombinant protein, especially of those involved in the development of vaccines. A continuous cycle lepidopter denominated Trichoplusia nii. This insect is reared in the Algenex production plant using specially designed devices under conditions of maximum control and isolation. Insects are inoculated with the virus through semi-automatic procedures to generate productive infection. In about approximately 3 days, the infection is widespread in the larva tissues, and the product encoded by the gene inserted in the virus has accumulated in massive quantities in infected cells. Insects are then collected and processed. After infection, the resulting recombinant protein is obtained from the insect through simple procedures and can be purified by using standard systems. In many cases, yields can reach milligrams of product from each infected larva. Algenex has expressed over 50 different proteins in the last 2 years, thanks to the versatility and reduced development time of the IVUS technology. The variety of proteins efficiently produced with this platform ensures its universality and the possibility of generating any protein that needs to be produced at an industrial scale. Algenex the company that has been a revolution for the recombinant protein production through the use of insects as living biofactories. I return to the remote past with the tools of the 21st century.